Hi, everybody. I got a great question. This is Jenny Cassell, by the way, about can you create an extended deadline for a student who might have a 504 or an IEP? Or let's be honest, in this crazy time, there's lots of crazy circumstances that make us want to adjust a deadline. So here's an assignment that I have in Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and edit the assignment so that I can look at the assignment due date. All of my information's up here. What are the kids turning in? But when I scroll down to the bottom, here's where you'll see to whom are you assigning this task. So the default is assign it to everyone, all of the students in your section. So there's a couple things that you can do here. First, you can remove that. I'm just going to use the add button down below though, and I'm going to add a different assignment expectation. So first, you could assign this to everybody in a section. So I've got 3 sections of STEM physics, for example. So I could say I just want to assign it to 4th period, and I want to set a different deadline for that class. So 4th period, because Mr. Offert made something stinky happen next door. We had to leave the room, so they need an extra week to do the assignment. So I can go ahead and go in and set a different deadline for just 4th period. Notice that the first box up here at the top where it said everyone before, now it says everyone else. So Canvas will adjust that. It's smart enough to pay attention. You can also add an assignment just for a specific student. So let's say that I just want to assign this to Jennifer Cassell. It'll bring up your students as you start to type them in. So for a single student, you can assign it to, and maybe I want to give Jennifer Cassell time all the way till the end of the school year. I can set that due date for her. I also could, if you're using the availability dates, you could use an extended close date, the until date. But this will probably be more communicative to students and parents. When you do this and you change this deadline, what happens is it still creates just one assignment in Skyward. I'm 99% sure. So that way, when you do this, I think when you do a separate section, it does create a different assignment, but for an individual, it just adds their grade in to that existing assignment. If that's wrong, I'll come back and tell you later. But here's how you can add an assignment so that and you'll notice I didn't have to like repost it or do anything different. I just made the assignment one time, and then I used these assignment settings to change the deadlines for different groups of students or different individuals. So again, that's at the bottom of the page where it says assign.